You don't have a sales problem, but you have a product clarity problem. Which SKUs are carrying your revenue and which are silently draining your cash? In this video, you'll learn which Shopify product reports reveal what's selling, what's not, what's getting returned, and what you should reorder next. Go to Analytics, Reports. We'll cover 3 Shopify native reports first, then the 2 reports that Shopify doesn't give you as a clean report. Let's start with sales by product. This is your what drives revenue report, such as items sold, discounts, returns, and net sales. Use the net items sold field to identify products that consistently drive revenue, prioritizes marketing around them, and plan reorders to avoid stockouts on winners and dead stock on slow movers. Sort by returns and refunds. High return products kill margins, so fix listing clarity, sizes, quality, or fulfillment before the damage spreads. Compare gross sales versus net sales. If your promos spike gross but your net stays flat, then your discount strategy is leaking profit. Next is your total sales by product variant. Product level isn't enough. True winners often hide at SKU level. Sort by net items sold or total sales. Then switch the date ranges to catch seasonal shifts early. Use this report to understand variant level performance. Identify the variant within the product that actually drives revenue. Promote those proven variants and restock only the variants in demand instead of the whole product or underperforming variants. Now, total sales by product by vendor. This tells you which supplier deserves more budget and which ones are tying up cash in idle. Use it to see vendor contribution, how much stock each vendor holds, which vendor items are sitting idle, and to analyze product return rates early. So you can identify potential quality or fulfillment issues and follow up with the vendors to resolve product or supply problems. And then renegotiate, reduce POs, or change merchandising for vendors with slow-moving products. Now, Shopify's product sales reports show only items that have at least one sale. So you can't get a clear list of never sold or inactive products in one report. This is why merchants ask for an all products report with every SKU, price, cost, inventory, tags, collections, and listing details, so you can clean catalog data and prevent stock issues fast. It helps you spot missing tags, descriptions, vendors, and SKUs, fix inconsistencies, and catch low inventory before it becomes a stock holder. Next is your product by collections. Collections drive browsing, but performance is hard when products exist in multiple collections. A proper collections report lets you see sales plus inventory by collection, separate smart versus manual collection, separate smart versus custom collections, avoid duplicates, and spot gaps like no collections assigned or collections with no sale. So start with Shopify's sales by product, variant SKU, and vendor reports. If you need a never sold, inactive, full catalog cleanup, or a clean collections level performance, then you need a reporting tool that can generate these views in one click.